Yeah, the first time I was here, it was a little bit messy around. It was nothing. We was in the middle of nowhere, just this amazing cable, and I thought it will never work out, And then I came here, and like on Holy Week, Easter, and it's packed with a few thousand people, I don't know where the people are coming from, but it's really nice, and I'm here since 2 months, and I mean the things are growing. It's like houses got built in 2 weeks. The whole parks, dirt parks, got built in 2 weeks. I came here, it was nothing. 2 weeks later, it's done. I don't know. It looks like it goes snap, and things are finished. Yeah. Yeah. The first time it was really familiar. We was a small crew from people all around the world, and we had really good times here with really good riding times. And then afterwards, when we've seen this finished. The movie, the statement was all impressive. Oh fuck it, we was there, we was the first, from at this cable opening. Yeah, many extreme sport guys and big boys, they will retire here probably, yeah, because you have everything you need. Yeah, so it's so much things here. It's a perfect place to retire. Yeah, so many things to play. It's the world's biggest playground, I would say. I'm Daniel Fetz from Austria, and just say once: come south, come sur.